Cases involving children follow different rules. First of all, anytime a minor is involved, you're always looking out for what's called the best interest of the minor. That's because even if me and the insurance company would agree on a settlement, the court is going to get involved in a minor's case and must approve the settlement. In fact, the court's going to appoint a lawyer of its own to oversee the settlement to make sure everything's done correctly, to make sure everything is done fairly. And then if you settle a minor's case, that money's not going to be just handed to a minor. You don't give a minor, hundreds of thousands of dollars. The court puts those settlements into structured settlements or the registry of the court so that they can't get their hands on the money until they're at least 18. And if it's in a structured settlement, sometimes it's structured so they don't get the money until they're 25, 30, or 35 years of age. So it's important for you to know that the future of your child is going to be protected not only by what I do, but overseen by a court to make sure that their interests are taken care of. So if you're wondering whether you can file a lawsuit for your child, even though they're not 18, the answer is yes. And that way the court and lawyers can take care of their interest to make sure it's taken care of properly and correctly. So frequently in minor settlement cases, I'll reach out to an annuity company that has financial advisors that will say, okay, we can take your money and we can put it with one of the big insurance carriers like Prudential, and they will give us options. For example, they will say we can put money into during the years of college when they will need it. Here's some money for a car, and then when they get to be older and wiser, we're going to give them a big lump sum. So they will advise them on structured settlements. Or they may say, I think in this case it's best that we invest the money in a trust so that the trustee has more active supervision over the money and has more flexibility as they get older.